10:07 ngako nathi sidongena-ke la ku-7 machakra ulalele i-Beatam Breakfast libito lami ngingu-Princeville esingena ku-alignment time nakhokho Muhada ngikuvusele ngikwamukele la msakatweni kunjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani ke?
Ngiphilile ngibachazele la uzofuna ukukhuluma nathi usensabeni ke wena-ke uhleli nge-root chakra sitokhona kuvana kahle mase uma ungekho entsabeni ngekulunga ukahle.
Ngiyaphila ke namhlanje sikhuluma uthe siyoqhubeka ngendaba ye-root chakra. I think mhlambe siwanele wonke ne?
Yeah.
So ukuthola le-understanding wena Khehla ngesizulu ama-chakra bathi iziyingilizi zikamoya.
Okay.
Kasesotho ilitho kamini. So if umuntu mhlambe uke wayathola into emuntu umlaphi and mhlambe mina uye other process la bathi bayagaba Khehla. Don't point la bagaba khona. Don't point these that anchor you as a person, as a body. And I think if you're familiar with my content, we are remembering ourselves. You know, we're putting these pieces of ourselves together because this is very story lazy. It's been couple so there are lots of and etc. Who says in the story that he chops up Asa into 14 body parts. So all says so they go and collect these 13 body parts to make you whole again. So because we are also in representation yamanetha Khehla or lomoya lo or the energy lena. So this applies to us as well. So njengabantu silahlekile at the moment. So this thing that you're doing when Khehla kule radio yakho ulokhu khuluma nathi ubiza abantu abakhuluma ngale ndaba lezomoya. It's us putting the pieces of ourselves together. So these members of our body, these are kuwona lawa ma-chakra points. So we gonna focus on 7, but ngolwazi onalo mina, other people and other scholars have different understandings of this, but sinama-chakra points I-42 kulomzimba wethu Khehla, and they're not something also ibona physically, but your joints are telltale signs as well. Ukuthi la kune-energy edlula lana. So these are energy centers nesikhuluma ngama-chakra wena Khehla. So kule 42 chakras siqala futhi kule season lesizongena kuyo Khehla sizoxoxa ngayo nayo. But it's something called the 42 laws of Ma'at. When you look at other literatures as well wena Khehla, but the character building, there's 42 of those, you know. So 42 is a very sacred number, but it's related to Ma'at again. It's related to divine order. It's related to ukuhlanganisa and be a balanced person. But usually, especially people, maybe I'm an energy healers now, but we focus on the main 7 chakras. And if we go color past, we touched a little bit on the spinal cord. The last time we were together when I was speaking about other related deities or energies related to that, Natasha about the jet pillar. Now the jet pillar, when I Khehla, as much as physically, ingaba ngathi indondolo made of wood, of the acacia tree, but it represents your spine. So that is why we also have saying, but ube ne-backbone, ngoba uyazi nokuthi ne-backbone ephukile, you are unable to walk. So the content esifuna ngayo Khehla is relatable to real life as well, you know. So that is why bengithanda ukuthi nesiqala ukuthi no, we mustn't think of these things as these creatures with human bodies and animal heads, but it's how the ancients used to talk to us. They're talking to us in imagery and in pictures. So, let's say with the root chakra, but let me just name all 7 and then we'll go into the main one. So, if you're unable to walk, Khehla, your base chakra, like the bottom of your brain, we call it the base chakra, we call it the root chakra, Khehla. And it's represented by the color red, right? So that is your routine. So buya. Singena sikhuphuke from the spine. So we're going from the bottom upwards. Sikhuphuke bese singena kule bathi yi-sacral chakra. So this lower region yakho, la reproduction also happens. Lower region Khehla, that energy center called the sacral chakra, which is a point that you create from, and not just physical creation. But if you're a person, maybe a creative, this is what you do. You're an artist. That chakra point yakho Khehla, maybe either anchored, maybe either strong, uzokwazi ukwenza izinto eziphilayo. So we create from that. Namadam, and I think that we think of, and we came from that. And I like the bottom three chakras, Kesha, missing repa. And then Skoko Kesha, the solar plexus. So you are not represented by the yellow color. It's solar plexus, Kesha. This is the point there. That's just to really go a little more. You know the pit in your stomach fear that you get, or the nervousness that you get in your stomach. These are the solar plexus. That is your other brain. So maybe a woman's intuition, a woman we feel now like esbelethweni. That is it's related to the same solar plexus point. But some scenario that most highly not clear, when they're into wrong or into suicide, because that is your other brain or your other heart. I like referring to your heart thing. Your other heart thing. So this is where you make your decisions as well. So decision making is rooted level. And more kukuga, mentally feeling and all these dollars that trying to do, putting yourself together. More kukuga, go into God's state. Still alive. So your decision making lies there, and when you ascend to your God state, Kesha, this is the chakra point that you are we strengthening now, okay? And then Skupo, and this is the heart chakra. So heart chakra are key of the time, because if you want to go the heart Kesha, you work on your heart chakra, I'm not dancer and my hippies, I think they were always right to be like a land, that is the greatest healer of all, One love, maybe also amongst each other, because this center, Kesha, you have in the middle of the chakra point, and it connects your lower self to your higher self. So sometimes they're working on all chakra points, but I don't recommend it. We must work on all our chakra points. But when you work on your heart chakra, Kesha, you are able to balance these energies, like the yin yang effect that we spoke of, which is also in the third season. But we said it's so you are using your lower self, which is your to your higher self. So I like calling that your Heru point, the point of attention. Okay, so it has to be good high. It's available with all objectives. And then from the heart chakra, so that's what represented by the green color in heart chakra, but it represents Impililo as well. So life would be represented by the color green that we see in the trees as well, that we see in our regional representation here as a people. The life on little babies, it's good on Tana, especially these big ones, there's a green mark. So that is the original color. Yes. So the color that you see now on the plant is the same melanin yellow. It's just obviously time and corruption. We've moved away from green, But really, never see a umuntu or very dark skin in complexion. But so our language is also leave footprint in how we do life or understand life. This is the throat chakra. So this is represented by the color blue. And this point, Kesha, this is where you need to express things. When you're not expressing things, or when you are very pressed a lot, you damage the throat chakra. So this is a point for you to be expressing things, Kesha. Yeah, I'm trying to, in the season, tell me what the blue color or the throat chakra color. So, how do you tell a blocked throat chakra? How do you remedy that? Kesha, the third eye, that's the pineal gland in the center of your forehead here, between your eyebrows. So, last city is Isolamoya, right? Where now you're able to perceive things as Mabona, things that are not necessarily of the 3D, but from the text you have in but it's fluoride, and the fluoride is calcified in our toothpaste you have the fluoride. So that's let's hope we are too much. But these are the little things, and Shambu has seen that just to because ngamathulusi kule system, ngamathulusi ngamathulusi, and mongakwazi ukubheka ngeliso lomoya uzokhawathela. Bese sikuphule Kesha ngiyona our seventh chakra. Seventh color would be represented by the color both purple or white, usually, depending on which school of conditioning you're doing, but white encompasses like the other colors. So sizothi purple slash white. So lapho nje crown chakra le ka singuni but ifwani that point la on a baby head ethibathibang where a connection point yakho phesha ngathi namazulu but with the cosmos. So this is where connecta ngomoya wakho. So those are all the chakra points, Kesha, all 7 of them, and all 7 different purposes. Would be clean as umuntu. You know, you need to balance. You need to have all those functioning, Kesha. But looking at your root chakra, Kesha, the root chakra, Kesha, this season is contrasting us now. You know, it's contrasting us. All those things, they keep you now vibrating in your lower state. You need to be doing so, not shadow work. That's why there's also a lot of scripting that needs to be done. Like I said, Kesha. Or reflect, or self-introspect, and now less that are preventing you now to reach the hearing state, the ascended ascent state, right? Because the African creation story is basically that. How do you reach your God state, you know, but we're using stories and allegories and mythology to just better understand the level concept. So root chakra, this is where all these beliefs that you have, you know, why you are unable to sound the pressure in a certain thing. Why are you so ungrounded as a person? So that is why nalama practice pressure. You know, I don't know if grass is natural, but you know, even rocks, you know, you get healers to work with rocks as well. That grounding process that we need to do when I thing that we need. So if it otherwise, you're a misbalanced person. So it can't allow for all these beliefs that you have that you need to challenge. When I take embedded in your root chakra. So you need to be doing a lot of self-reflection work, breathing work as well, because you will be unable to move forward. That is why also we need to talk about the purification of the knees. Like I said, so these are the things that have to do with mobility, because all state is taking way. So we're using all these things of the lower self, what you see again, to be in ascension to our high self, to your solar plexus,
okay, into lengiyinotisile angisisho ukuthi mhlambe ngithi bani labamnyama kumbe wonke umuntu ichakra leka focus kuyo indzaba ye third eye ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi sifike njani. Ngiyakuva yakhala nyalo ukhala nge heart chakra, mina ngiyazi ukuthi yonke into yenziwa nje inhlitiyo, so ku right lokuthi kuthiwe heart chakra ngiyo le kufuna isebenze la. Yini le into ukuthi kwebantu nje kufocuswe kule third eye cala kumbe shothi ngeke siwabone onke lama chakras la lamanye?
Yeah, because that is, I guess, content at all, you know. And I think most of them are, you know, those are aware of other things. Even through religion, you know, it's something that is known in the religious sector. So, and it's dangerous, because Mobula is that you know, there's chances, that's why some people, they tap into psychosis, because manje ufuna ukugula said balance, you are not rooted, your root chakra is of manje, so ufuna ukuvula ilihlo balance. So some people will get into a little bit of psychosis, you know, umuntu agcine ashanya and lokushaya lo muntu ayithina ngathi shaya kamnandi. Is on the brink of psychosis, because now vibration lena, but you're chasing that vibration of said I without doing the work.
Anako-ke la sekufuna uqale correcta khona shothi kufuna umuntu abe grounded kahle kahle kule root chakra kuqala, then understand lento lekafuna kuyi-creator kule secret chakra ukuthi okay nginayo into lengifuna ukufocusa kuyo, athi abe ne-sure, abe confident, abe ne-personal power ukuthi okay lento lesenginesiqiniseko ngayo. Semakato yenda ngila ukuthi kule heart chakra ukuthi utoyenda ngenhlitiyo levulekile la nokuthi just nje uyenda ukuthi uqedza liqala, then makayi-communicate kule throat chakra uyazi ukuthi okay lezo lento i-communicator njani, even singabekisa ngalabashumayela-ke masondeni ukuthi okay le message ihamba njani, leli iso litobe selivulekile ukuthi okay this is the message lena ngiyi-director-ko through kule bantu. Mhlawumbe singasho ukuthi sohleli lesihleli sebukhosi-ke uvumelekile lapho kule crown chakra ukuthi uyayazi lento sekubhalance, but angacali nje emoyeni acale ngento le-1, because nisho ukuthi la thina sathi i-third eye kuphela, i-third eye kuphela ngiyo lesivame abantu buva bakhuluma ngayo.
ngithokoza kakhulu nangibonga ukula le congregation lena Khehla. But yeah, I think logically and it only makes sense. I think noma wakha indlu uqala nge-foundation
Yes.
indlu kunena foundation, you know. That's indlu engena foundation izophethula, you know. There is a today ngicela ufunde ngiyacela into kanje kusasa sinola lapho change doesn't make sense, you know. It's not a basic thing. Yabona lo muntu lona akekho research, you know.
Kahle shothi lama chakra han nama chakra gens abaleke kabi ngoba shothi indlela yabo i-right. Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes the attention or entry point is into the boy and find it with the same people, you know.
Yes.
I feel maybe with my experience, but I feel it's a good because it's these days again, I like you know, it's actually a process of know thyself because no as that. Like you know, so aligning without any defenses that is also part of the work of knowing thyself. You know, the ancient saying, you know, but yes, know thyself and to thyself be true because no as that is pressure. So I think as about
Wena la kuna ichakra lokufuna ufocus kuyo lemcoka kakhulu ke la wena ufuna ufocus ku chakra tokhipha leqiniso nalokubaleka la lehlelo leli so uma ungafocus ukuthi awuba nenkinga nawo so ngiyakutshela kuthi wena lokufuna uyibalansize kuthi ufuna ubalansize ke throat chakra yakho uthi kutokhuluma nathi ke la emsakatweni ngaso sonke isikhathi ya ngiyokizile le ngafuna ufocus kuyo khona le ngiyithandzako mara ngeke ngiye ku details kuyo la ngithandza le sacred chakra ihleli kahle la ihleli khona lapha le gama lokuthi sacred iconzene ne private part kuphuma abantu lapha le chakra yeah so no ibaleki yeah
so also I also a little bit before that when you're working as a chakra point, you know, try also to pull a little bit action by using those colors, you know. If you have a sometimes use those stones as they align and lay a chakra layer. Because everything is vibration, you know, and many times it's vibrator, now.
Njengoba usebenzisa social media kakhulu ngendeka ndo shoothani lapha enzabeni ke lapha ofuna ukubona abantu babone naleti into lesivame khuluma ngato ngoba uyashare abakulandzela ku
Yabo on social media YouTube it's Don't Care Podcast, so it's STONEV space QUEER space and then podcast. And then on all social medias, it's at Don't Care Podcast. We share an event, we share content in the week. So on Facebook, on TikTok, as well as on Instagram, Hulu. If you want to order anything, the WhatsApp number is on all the information is on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, no. Yeah, siyabonga sitawubona kuleli viki lelitako ke sitawubona ngani ukuthi hayi mase niyiwinile ke itawulekile sabonga. If you turn breakfast go 104.1 the pumping Peter Fegas ngugogo Mohadi ke la sibanaye ke once a week masibuya so buyangena ke ku class lesintu la na Prince Sizwe.